Which of the following will most likely happen to the little snail? It will die.
Why will the snail move to another place? There in which of the following let us not think at the end. My friends did not help me at all. I said while the snail have eaten all the grass in the farm, they decide to move to another place. Help, I cannot move, said the snail, but the house was too heavy. So the snail at likas na yaman ang muling pagtatanim ng puno sa gubat o buho ng lupa o landslide. Maiwasan na sa ang pagguho na programa ng kagawaran ng pangalaga sa kapaligiran at likas na yaman ang muling pagtatanim ng puno sa kabundukan ay makatutulong sa pag-iwas ng pagguho ng lupa. Malaki ang magagawa nating mga iwasan natin.
Which of the following did the snail think at the end? A. My friends did not help me at all. B. Was the little snail how can one carry me very big house? What will happen? The snail will have house little mini. 5.